BMW E90 got a brain upgrade? Eonon E90A12S review. CarPlay, Android 13 in pure tech chaos. Tired of your BMW E90 acting like it's stuck in 2005? Yeah, we feel you. You've got a gorgeous machine with a brain that's been basically running on dial-up. The factory stereo? Meh. Slow, glitchy, zero smart features, and it definitely doesn't know what CarPlay is. Every time you try to switch tracks, make a call, or get directions, you're battling a fossilized interface that's one hiccup away from rage-inducing. You know you deserve better tech behind the wheel, but until now, upgrading your system has been a pain in the tailpipe. Let's change that. Now let's crank up the pain. You're juggling your phone while driving because your car won't talk to Siri or Google. Your playlists? Trapped on your device. GPS? Still stuck in 2008, yelling recalculating every 5 seconds. You're stressed, distracted, and probably late, again. Every ride feels like a test in multitasking failure. Meanwhile, your car's potential is locked behind an ancient screen that doesn't even support YouTube mirroring properly. You've missed calls, gotten lost, and let's be honest, your passengers are silently judging you. It's not just annoying, it's borderline dangerous. Enter the Eonon E90A12S, your BMW's new digital brain. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. With Android 13, 6GB RAM, and 64GB of ROM, this thing is smoother than your morning coffee. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto? Absolutely. Just say "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google" and boom, music, maps, texts, all on command. The 9-inch QLED touchscreen is bright, buttery, and totally binge-worthy. Plus, it comes with HDMI 5.1 surround and built-in 4G LTE, so you're always connected, even in the middle of nowhere. The E90A12S's plug-and-play fits your BMW 3 Series, model codes E90, E91, E92, and E93, from the years 2005 to 2011, like a glove, and yes, it keeps your steering wheel controls and factory features. Get ready to drive like it's the future. The Eonon E90A12S streamlines everything, no more messy cables, no more lo-fi audio, no more navigation nightmares. You'll get immersive sound, customizable UI themes, split-screen multitasking, and the ability to mirror your favorite apps. With 3 brightness modes, dual Bluetooth, and CANBUS compatibility, it adapts to you, day or night, rain or shine. And hey, installation is so plug-and-play, it's practically idiot-proof, we've all been there. Check out the link and see why thousands of BMW lovers swear by this head unit. It's not just a stereo, it's therapy. Don't sleep on this. The Eonon E90A12S is flying off the shelves faster than you can say factory reset. You don't want to miss out on turning your BMW into the smart car it was meant to be. With an 18-month warranty and rave reviews across the board, the only thing you're risking is another week stuck with that prehistoric dash setup. Upgrade now, before the next batch disappears again. Join the thousands who've already escaped stereo purgatory. Smash that buy button, reclaim your dash, and make your ride smarter, safer, and sexier. Let's get your Beamer finally talking your language.